Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we discuss all things about finance and business. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic for every business. It's called working capital management. Working capital management is the process of managing a company's short-term assets and liabilities to ensure it has adequate liquidity to meet its operational needs and obligation. This involves managing cash, accounts receivable, inventory, accounts payable, as well as other current assets and liabilities. The goal of working capital management is to maintain a positive balance between a company's current assets and liabilities so that it can meet its short-term financial obligation and continue operations smoothly. Effective working capital management is critical to companies' overall financial health and success and requires careful monitoring, planning, and decision making. I am sure you have heard the phrase cash is king. Well, in business, this couldn't be truer, and that's where working capital comes in. It's the difference between your current assets and your current liabilities, and it determines your ability to meet your short-term obligation. In this video, we are going to share 10 tricks for keeping your working capital and cash flow flowing. And by the end, you will have the tools you need to unlock the full potential of your working capital and take your business to the next level. Trick number 1 is to monitor your cash flow regularly. This means keeping a close eye on your inflows and outflows to identify trends and potential shortfalls. The more you understand about your cash flow, the better positions you'll be able to make informed decisions about your business. Trick number 2 is to prioritize your payments. This means paying bills on time, but also prioritizing payments based on the impact they'll have on your cash flow and your relationship with suppliers and lenders. Make sure you have a clear understanding of which payments are the most critical and which ones which need to be met. Trick number 3 is to manage your accounts receivable. This means implementing strategies to improve the collection of your accounts receivable, such as offering discounts to early payments or setting up early payment plans. By doing this, you'll be able to improve your cash flow and ensure you're receiving the money you want in a timely manner. Trick number 4 is to minimize your inventory cost. This means reducing your inventory by forecasting demand, implementing just-in-time delivery systems, and negotiating better terms with your suppliers. By doing this, you'll be able to free up cash that would otherwise be tied up in inventory. Trick number 5 is to optimize your accounts payable. This means negotiating longer payment terms with suppliers or taking advantage of early payment discounts to improve your cash flow. Make sure you have a clear understanding of your payment terms and each supplier and work to negotiate terms and work in your favor. And now let's fly through tricks 6 to 10 to keep up the speed. Trick number 6 is to use technology. This means implementing accounting software or other financial management tools to streamline processes and improve visibility into your cash flow and working capital. Trick number 7 is to manage your debt effectively. This means minimizing debt by using loans and lines of credit judiciously and prioritizing paying down high interest debts. Trick number 8 is to seek professional advice. This means consulting with a financial advisor or accountant to assess your working capital needs and develop strategies to improve your position. Trick number 9 is to assess your pricing strategy. This means ensuring that your pricing strategy is aligned with your working capital needs and considering increasing prices if necessary to improve your cash flow. And finally, trick number 10 is to stay flexible. This means being prepared to adjust your working capital strategies as your business evolves, new opportunities and challenges arise. In conclusion, working capital management is a critical aspect of any business. By implementing these 10 tips and tips, you can effectively manage your cash flow, reduce cost, and improve your bottom line. Remember, it is not just about bringing in more money, but also about managing it effectively. And so, put into these strategies and get into action today and watch your cash flow soar. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it in your network. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great tips and insights on accounting and finance. Thanks for watching.